The 2013 Dodge Avenger. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.